Come on in.
Hey man, what's up?
What's going on?
I got an artist in the car right now. Think you listen to him?
Bring him on, bro.
Alright, cool, I got you.
Sure.
Come on. I don't know why the hell you got me up here. Let's hurry up. Come on.
Chokaineee.
All right, man. Let's get it.
Gang. Chokaine, gang. Chokaine, don't slang cocaine. Chokaine, gang. Chokaine, 3 chains, 4 chains.
Man, that's some fire, dog.
What's up, baby? What's up?
Come on, let's do this deal. That's what I'm talking about.
Go, baby.
Let's do this deal. That's what I'm talking about.
Gang. Chokaine.
Told you that was fire, didn't I? I told you, man. I'm trying.
You got some heat. Hey, tell him, come on in. Sign the contract.
Hey man, come on in here, boy. Let's get this money, player. Damn. Let's get that money. Yeah,
player, I got it. Come on, man. Sign this contract.
Gang.
All right, man, you got some heat, man. Let's do this.
Gang.
Let's sign the contract.
Gang. Oh my goodness, yes. We made it.
Yeah.
We did it, boy. We did it.
Ain't that?
Oh yeah, I like that. All right. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He said, yeah. Yes.
Chokaine, gang. Chokaine, don't slang cocaine. Chokaine, gang. Chokaine, 3 chains, 4 chains.